build a few more things that I was wanting to build.
Snow. Let's have fun. Let's have a fun time outside in the balcony. Oh yeah. It's a horrible blizzard happening. But everyone's having a fun time because it's snow. Wow. And look at this. And it's still snowing. And look at the door. Alright. Now, here. Ooh. The phone's getting hit. You can see what I'm gonna see. Yep. Yes. Let's go inside. The phone's getting damaged. Alright. Damage is way too powerful. You see the damage from the blizzard? I thought it'd be a fun time. A great, good snow, normal snow. But it turns into a disaster, a natural disaster called blizzard. And look at this. Looking down, realize I'm looking down. And the phone has to look down. No one, not supposed to see anything. We can see this area. That's fine. You see the trees? That tree. That tree is also the same problem. Having the same problem. Yep. Can't go far out because the phone